Premium sound is the marriage of art and technology. From elegant and sophisticated speakers to the simple splendor of luxury automobile sound systems, Harman Kardon have been committed to pursuing perfect sound quality for 67 years. Every Harman Kardon logo is precious, representing the world's most discerning golden ear. The noting and adjustment of each and every detail. They are the sculptors of Harman Kardon sound, with the ability to discern individual sounds beyond what most people are capable of. When the rich, artistic heritage of Harman Kardon sound meets the modern, innovative technology of Mi 11, the result is exceptional sound with a personal touch. The expertise of golden ear engineers ensures every detail is tuned to artistic perfection. Today's innovations make every bit of audio more realistic. On Mi 11, high-quality stereo speakers allow every sound to immerse you in the story. And with audio sharing, you can share the joy of premium audio with your loved ones. This is premium audio, tuned by some of the world's most talented ears. This is the perfect marriage of art and technology. This is Mi 11, the smartphone with sound by Harman Kardon.